Right now, artificial intelligence still asks humans for permission. A human approves the loan. A human signs the contract. A human presses the final button. But what happens the day AI stops asking? For decades, machines helped humans work faster. They calculated numbers. They stored information. They automated repetitive tasks. But the final decision always belonged to a person. A doctor reviewed the diagnosis. A manager approved the hiring decision. A banker approved the loan. Machines could suggest, but humans decided. That structure created a clear hierarchy. Machines assisted, humans controlled. But that balance is beginning to change, quietly, and most people haven't noticed it yet. Look around the modern economy. Artificial intelligence already recommends what movies you watch. It suggests what products you buy. It predicts what advertisements you see. It even decides which posts appear on your social media feed. These decisions already shape millions of daily choices. But something bigger is happening beneath the surface. Artificial intelligence is moving beyond recommendations. It is beginning to make decisions. In financial markets, algorithms already trade billions of dollars in milliseconds. They analyze patterns faster than any human trader ever could. And when the signal appears, the machine acts instantly. No hesitation, no committee, no approval meeting, just action. In logistics, algorithms already decide how packages move across continents. They calculate routes, they adjust delivery schedules, they optimize fuel consumption, and they do it constantly. Thousands of decisions every second. In warehouses, robots move inventory based on algorithms. The system decides what moves first, what gets shipped next, and what stays on the shelf. No supervisor is reviewing every decision. The system runs the process. The same shift is happening in healthcare. AI systems analyze medical scans. They detect patterns in X-rays and MRIs. Sometimes they find diseases that human doctors miss. For now, doctors still confirm the diagnosis, but the machine is already doing the analysis, and it keeps improving every day. Now imagine the next step. Imagine a system that makes decisions faster than humans can even review them. Not minutes faster, not seconds faster, millions of times faster. At that speed, humans cannot stay in the loop, because the moment a person pauses to review the decision, the opportunity has already passed. And this is where the real turning point begins. Businesses compete on speed. They compete on efficiency. They compete on cost. If one company allows AI to make decisions instantly and another company waits for human approval, which company wins? The faster one. Always. Markets reward speed. Markets reward efficiency. And markets punish hesitation. That economic pressure will push companies toward full automation, not because executives want to remove humans, but because the system demands it. If artificial intelligence can make 1 million decisions per second, no boardroom discussion can keep up with that pace. And once a system proves it works, once it increases profits, once it reduces costs, it spreads everywhere. History shows this pattern again and again. When electricity became cheaper than steam power, factories converted. When computers became faster than paper records, businesses digitized. And when automation becomes faster than human decision-making, organizations will adopt it. The question then becomes something deeper. What happens to work when machines do not just perform tasks, but make decisions? In the past, machines replaced physical labor. They lifted heavier loads. They worked longer hours. They operated faster than human muscles. But humans still controlled the system. Now machines are beginning to replace cognitive work. They analyze information. They detect patterns. They write reports. They answer customers. They evaluate risk. They optimize strategy. And they do it without fatigue, without distraction, without emotional bias. This does not mean humans disappear from the economy, but it does mean something fundamental changes. The value of human work shifts. Instead of performing routine decisions, humans must focus on judgment, creativity, ethics, and direction. Because while machines can optimize systems, humans still decide what the system should optimize: profit, safety, fairness, sustainability. These are not technical questions. They are human questions. The future will not be a world where humans compete with machines at speed. machines will always win that race. Instead, the future will depend on where we place the boundaries, where we decide machines are allowed to decide, and where humans must remain in control. Because once a system learns to make decisions faster than humans can react, the world changes quietly, not with a dramatic announcement, not with a sudden revolution, but with a gradual shift, one decision at a time, until one day we look around and realize something important. The machines are no longer asking, they are deciding. And the real challenge of the future will not be building intelligent machines. The real challenge will be deciding where their intelligence should stop. The future is not something that simply happens. It is something we build with the choices we make today. If you want to stay informed about the technologies shaping tomorrow, subscribe to Digital Foresight. Stay informed, stay aware, stay ahead. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness, because the future is coming either way. The question is, are you ready?